Let's take a look at problem replacements. On the left side of the screen, students will see the Need Help button. When a student clicks Need Help, the student will have the option to replace their current problem. Students will receive a prompt asking if they would like to see the answer and replace their current problem. They will also be notified of how many problem replacements they have left for the day. If a student chooses Replace, they will be able to view the answer of their current problem. The answer window is draggable and can be collapsed as students view the current problem. The problem will be replaced with a new, fresh problem after the student clicks OK or closes the answer window. Students have the ability to use problem replacements while working in an assignment and in mixed review. If a student has earned penalties on the current problem they are working on, the penalties will be cleared if the student chooses to replace the problem. Any unfixed errors and problem avoidances will also be cleared when a student uses problem replacements. Each day, students will only have the number of problem replacements that are set by the teacher. Once all problem replacements have been used, the Need Help button will be deactivated, and the student will be notified they have used all of their allotted replacements for the day. It is also important to note, while corrections mode is enabled, students will not be able to use problem replacements on any exam mistakes. Teachers can choose to customize the settings for problem replacements for classes, as well as individual students. From the Classes tab, choose a class and navigate to Settings. Within the Student Help section, teachers have the ability to adjust the problem replacements for the entire class. For new classes, the default number of problem replacements is 10 per day and allows students to use problem replacements while the teacher is online. Teachers have the option to customize these settings for each class. The maximum number of problem replacements is 30 per day. If a teacher does not want students to use problem replacements, the number can be set to 0. From Roster, teachers also have the ability to individualize the number of replacement problems for specific students. Click the arrow next to a student's name and scroll down within the student settings. Click the Individualize button to adjust the number of problem replacements for the student.